is Fen Lee, designer here at the Bead Flora studio. On this channel, I offer free beaded flower tutorials, technique reference guides, and cool French beaded flower related videos just like this one. If you'd like to learn more, consider subscribing. I am doing an impromptu video today because my friend Lauren Harpster just published her third book. Lauren and I are cohorts in French beading and run the Learn How to Make French Beaded Flowers group together. And if you go on Amazon, it'll normally recommend you buy both of our books as a bundle. And this is her one-a-day Christmas wreath project where she made one thing a day for a year, and this was the result. I'm excited that she decided to document her whole process and shared her patterns for the projects. Now, let's open this package up and take a look. Should I smell it? It's a new book. Nice shiny cover. At first glance, this is an absolute amazingly designed book with lots of patterns, and Lauren also teaches you how to assemble the wreath too. This book has mostly advanced patterns, so it's not something someone with no experience in French beading should start with. But if you know how to read French beading patterns, you are in for a treat. Will you take on a one-a-day project? In the DIY world, now is the time to start your Christmas projects. You can find the book on Amazon, and I will put the link in the description with where you can get your own copy. Would you like more videos like this? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.